PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange built on the Binance Smart Chain, allowing users to trade, provide liquidity, and participate in various DeFi activities. Creating an account on PancakeSwap involves setting up a wallet and connecting it to the platform. Set up a Binance Smart Chain wallet. To use PancakeSwap, you need a wallet compatible with the Binance Smart Chain. Popular wallets include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet. Install a wallet. For MetaMask, download and install the MetaMask browser extension or mobile app from metamask.io. For Trust Wallet, download and install the Trust Wallet mobile app from trustwallet.com. Add Binance Smart Chain Network. Open your wallet and navigate to Settings. Add the Binance Smart Chain Network. Connect wallet to PancakeSwap. Visit PancakeSwap, click Connect Wallet, and select your wallet provider. Approve the connection by signing the transaction. Start trading. After connecting your wallet, you can start trading, swapping tokens, providing liquidity, staking, and earning rewards directly on PancakeSwap.